Logical thinking in mathematics primarily involves memorizing formulas and algorithms without understanding, recognizing patterns and making sense of relationships among concepts. In the context of logical thinking, which activity can best help students develop a deeper understanding of mathematical concepts? Which of the following is an example of deductive reasoning in mathematics? A teacher encourages students to explore different ways to solve a problem and to explain their reasoning. This teaching approach promotes